People were laughing, tinatawanan kami. So, you know, I want to prove them wrong. You know, it's still a long way to go, but we'll keep trying. You know, this team will go to the championship.
This team will go to the championship. Ayun na naman ang deklarasyon nito si Mark Aguiwa, Jason, ha? Alam niyo po, hindi na po tayo iba dyan, ano? At si Mark Aguiwa, one thing with Mark Aguiwa, pag may sinasabi, usually, nagiging totoo. At one thing, top players, in terms of assists, that numero uno is J.J. Halderbrand with almost 6 assists per game. That was our top players brought to us by Top Power Energy. Drink it, Top Power Energy. Ang klase pinakawalan dito ng Barangay Ginebra. Nagbukas itong ating fourth quarter. Actually, itong kombinasyon o formula nito, Jason, nakuha na ni Coach Jong Ichico nung at the end of the third quarter. At inahambing natin si Mr. Fast versus Mr. Heartbreaker. Lamang si Mr. Fast.
And Alex, they were heartbroken so far.
Salvaging 2 points para dito sa Walcott Dragons. 25 points para kay Marcus Gainas. Oh, J.J. Halderbrand! Ang lupit nun!
That's the third time na ginawa yan ni Paul Artadi. At naging suki na si J.J. Halderbrand, pati si Mark Aguiwa.
Alright, now you can see to see Artadi talaga, no? Still a perfect compliment dito kay Fast and the Furious. Halderbrand missing. At napuwersa pa ni Artadi. Ito si Jaire Ibanez. Yun yung ibang hugis ng depensa, no? Na nakikita mo with Paul Artadi around.
You know, one of the things, obviously, Wellcoat still has a chance in this game, but it's getting a little bleaker. One of the things that they have to look forward to in the draft, and one noticeable, is that meron nga silang Alex Compton sa ngayon dahil may import, but they still need one very good ball handler. And luckily for them, this is the exact draft kung saan makakakuha sila ng isang ball handler na maaaring that could enable their team to have a turnaround for next season.
Yes, at Paulo Jaire Ibanez. Meanwhile, ito si Mark Isip. Papalitan si J.R. Reyes. Ano naman pong stellar yung effort na pinapakita naman ni J.R. Reyes. Okay, we throw it to J.J. Halderbrand. Nothing there. Here's Ryan Araya. Pananatili po yan sa Walcott Dragons. Pero talagang itong Guelcott, ano? Gulat sila kung anong tumama sa kanila dito sa fourth quarter natin. Gainas with a pull-up. Itong Ginebra looking to run, pero well, there's Marcus Gainas with another basket para po dito sa Walcott Dragons.
Yung mga gwardya, handa ng tumakbo eh.
Atakbo na eh.
Oo, pero problema, wala si Chris Alexander. Yun yung taga-kuha ng bola at saka taga-outlet ka agad eh.
Bago sila tumuntong sa starting block, kailangan muna si Chris Alexander. Right now. Eric Mega missing. Paul Artadi all alone.
I'd even dare to say that Paul Artadi is having his best season as a pro. Ito na kasama siya sa Barangay Ginebra. Already with 10 assists so far sa larong ito. Tapos nakapuntos pa siya doon. He already has 8 points.
Ibang dimension, ano? Kaya dadagdag nito si Paul Artadi as you look at Paul Artadi. And obviously, Ang ganda ng kanilang troika with Mark Aguiwa and JJ Alderbrand. Nakakaintindihan yung tatlong to eh.
You know, because it's a perfect fit. You know, Mark Caguio, what he wants to do is score. Paul Artadi, on the other hand, what he wants to do is pass.
Tama.
So,
Alam niya hindi siya pupuntos ng balde-balde Jason eh. Alam ni Jason Paul Artadi yun eh. No? Pero kita mo naman yung support nito si Paul Artadi. 10 assists, 4 steals.
Dilly for Ryan Arana and Fernand Bagyon coming in for Alex Compton. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
At this point, Arana and Alex Compton relieved by Nino Gelling and the Froilan Bagyon. 5:05 remaining dito po sa ating ball game. And Ginebra has erupted dito po sa ating fourth quarter. Chris Alexander, nakita niya medyo matamlay na yung depensa sa kanya doon. Attack the hoop.
The 22-point lead goes far. Bumalik to si Chris Alexander.
Well, timeout call here mga kaibigan. Well, it seems that ito pong Barangay Ginebra Jenkins po ay well in control dito sa laban po natin with 4:44 remaining.